In question number 2, we have to show that without expansion, to make the entries of two column equal to 1 or 0. Rewriting the question. Now if we subtract column 3 by column 2, we get 1.
We have to operate a separate operation in this question. So
this is column 2. Column 3 by column 2. So first column remains same, 3, 2, and the second column remains same, just we are making changes in third column. So 8 minus 7 is equal to 1, and 5 minus 4 is equal to 1, 4 minus 3, 1. Now subtracting column 2 into column 1, we get the column 3 remains same, column 1 remains same, just we are changing in column 2. 7 minus 6 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1. So we make the two rows equal to 1, so the determinant will be equal to 0, as the reason is column 2 and column 3 are identical, are same. Now we are solving third part because it is similar to the first part. You can see here, first we will subtract column 3 by column 1, column 2. This into this, we will get the first column remains same and the second column remains same, just we are making changes in column 3. 1, 3 minus 1, 6 minus 5, 9 minus 8. Then we are subtracting column 2 into column 1, so it will be like this, column 3 remains same and column 1 remains same. 2 minus 1, 1, 5 minus 4, 1, 8 minus 7, 1. So is equal to 0, as C3 and C2 are identical. Number 2 is, this part is very easy. In this part we will just add column 2 into column 3. So rewriting the question. So in this case we just add column C3 in C2. C1 remains same and C2 remains same. It will be like this, plus minus 1, 2, 1 plus 0, 1, and this is equal to, as this is equal to 0, as C1 and C3 are identical.